Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix common errors in Netflix. In order to fix common errors on Netflix, you could try following these steps. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitch, so you could try restarting by holding on to your side button. That's going to help you out. The other thing you also want to do is restart your home network, that is unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds to 10 minutes. Then plug them back in, wait for them to fully power on and try Netflix again. That should be able to help. Other than that, you also want to sign out of Netflix app or website, sign out of your account and then sign in back in to refresh your connections as well. And after which, you could also clear app cache and cookies. That means for mobile device, you could go to your device settings and clear the Netflix apps data and cache. For browser, you could clear your browser's cache and cookies as well. If not, try reinstalling the app, and after which you could also try checking your internet connections or disabling any sort of proxies or VPN that you're using. That might be able to help you. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.